Good morning and good evening, everyone. I cook yummy vegetables, very healthy eggplant, string beans, and also ampalaya and pork belly with bone. It's very delicious, guys. You have to try it. It's look very healthy and yummy. Subscribe and thank you for watching. First, I need to put water and then put the pork chop and I slice it. That is 2 pieces of sliced pork chop. And then simmer it until the water is gone. And also 1 tablespoon of pork powder. And then you have to mix it. And then simmer it until the water is get dry, and as you can see it's boiling now. So now the water is almost gone, and then let the belly, like the oil is coming out. So now we need to add, as you can see, it's turned brown now. You have to add like 2 tablespoons of oil. And then you have to add the 4 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. So when the garlic is half cooked, and then you have to add a little bit of oil. And then add onions, slice. So either onion is like 1/2 onions. So when the onion is half cooked, and then you have to stir it, and then add. If you have tomato, then you can add tomato. I add eggplant. I put eggplant like 3 pieces of eggplant. And also I add string beans. String bean is frozen because I put the string beans in the freezer. And then also we add the bitter melon. That is, I add like 1 tablespoon of white sugar if you have brown sugar, and also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you don't like pork meat, guys, then you can add chicken or beef and add like 1/4 cup of water. It's up to you if you can add also shrimp if you want to. Or you can add combination pork, beef, chicken, or shrimp. So the pork bouillon or pork powder, 1 tablespoon, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So I don't put salt, guys, because the pork powder is already have salt. So now I simmer it, and now I add the bitter melon, and we call our language is ampalaya, and also the onion leaves. So simmer it until the vegetable is cooked and also get a little bit sticky. So subscribe, likes, please leave comment, and don't forget to post the notifications so every time I upload my video you always updated. And thank you to all my co-YouTuber, silent viewers, and friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for support. Please support my channel, and if you want to know Asian cooking. So now it's look like a bok choy. I don't know what kind is this, but it's green leaves. So if you have a bok choy or pichai, Chinese pichai, you can have too, and that's onion leaves. It's optional, the onion leaves. So thank you so much. It's very delicious, guys. So you have to try it. And then normally we eat it with rice, and we can eat. Philippine people, we eat rice, breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. So now the food is almost ready. You have to stir it and mix it well. Then after that, we have to sit aside and clean plate. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. Thank you for support my channel, and thank you for coming my channel and play my video. Thank you all. God bless and advance Merry Christmas to all of you. Good luck to all YouTubers and my co-YouTubers, especially to all my silent viewers. Advance Merry Christmas. Thank you all. So now the food is ready to serve. Thank you and God bless. Bye. See you in my next video. So as you can see, guys, it's really delicious. Looks very yummy. Especially your rice is hot. It's look good. So you need to try, guys. You can put that like either fried fish or pork, beef, chicken, or shrimp. Whatever you like, or you can put that everything there. Bye.